Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at the indices today, the Dow, the S&P. They've just kind of dropped off slightly from another record high push, but it's just a slight correction in the market that we've seen time and time again before we see another test at these fresh highs. We'll have to wait and see, but with bond yields rising and the fact that the Fed is not going to give any more stimulus or any signals that they're going to have any rate cuts anytime soon, especially in their next meeting in March, we could see a slight correction in the markets in the near term at least. So this is what we're worrying and looking out for as well. Obviously in the from October, since we saw that boost from that double bottom, we've seen price action rise over 20% on the indexes, which is quite astonishing. Okay, it is a fact of deja vu because we have seen the indices drop before, and we have actually seen this price action boom time and time again. But this time around, we could be in for more of a correction, but we'll see what the chances are and obviously take all the fundamental news we can out of it. So just let's look on the daily chart first of all for the Dow. We're just seeing now at the moment, I'll just zoom in for a better outlook. You know, we haven't really hit this major correction yet, because if you look at time and time again, we've been hitting these slight downward spirals in the market since we've seen these record highs. Now analysts are just slightly more concerned because of the Fed's signals and the bond yields rising. Also, we've got this heavy bearish divergence happening on the RSI as well. So we've gone from overbought status, moving back into the middle of the zone. So does that give us more of an impetus that price action will start falling? We'll have to wait and see. On the 4-hour chart, we'll have more of a better outlook in the near term at least. I've just removed these drawings so it's a bit easier to see. So for the Dow, dropping over 250 points yesterday from the top spike we saw just above roughly about 38,800. So now trading just below 38,400, sorry. So this has been giving us more of an impetus that price action could start dropping a bit more. We could see more of a consolidation happening and then a downward spiral. So just have a look out that this bearish run doesn't end with this bullish run doesn't end with this bearish divergence approaching on the RSI. I've been looking on most of the stochastics, the MACD as well, looking at the bearish opportunity approaching. So this is what we're looking at the moment. Moving over to the S&P quite significantly, and again we're just seeing this bearish divergence being really taking shape now, and it's kind of ongoing as well. It's not really picking up on the RSI. So with price action keeping on pushing higher and higher, today's session has seen a bit more of a dip on the S&P. However, we've seen dips before, like I said, on the Dow Jones. So is this going to just be another move in the market from the trend before we see another push higher? It could be the factor, but with eclipsing 4,800 for the first time and now hitting 4,900 is 5,000 not so far away. Will that be more of a psychological heavy resistance for the S&P? We'll have to wait and see, but it's more likely that we could see more of a slight correction than anything else. On the 4-hour chart, pretty much looking like the daily chart as well, we're seeing more of an upturn in fortunes for this index. So where will this lead us to? Are we going to see more of a bullish approach? Obviously, we've got earnings season really propelling the indices, but that's coming to an end soon. All the big major players in the indices such as Microsoft, Apple, etc. have been and gone. We've also had Fed comments. We've also had fears of a recession slightly going to the back seat now. So is this going to be just a case of more buyers attracting buyers, sellers attracting sellers, and getting more of a correction or more of a bullish trajectory? We'll have to wait and see, but stick with us, stay ahead with all the market action, and we'll bring you all of these trending topics on our YouTube and Telegram channel. So have a great trading day ahead. Until next time, bye for now.